Hi, so today I want to give you a nice video to support loosening up tension in the neck. So we hold a lot of tension here. This is just kind of human nature that we're so focused, especially with all the screens that we look at, that we don't move a lot and we can create a lot of tension here. So one way to do that is by placing your hands on your lower back, like so. So you place your hands here. If that's awkward, you can use the backs of your hands. And what we're going to do is we're going to start to move the neck with the hands back here because that'll open up the chest a little bit more. So just drop your head to one side and make sure you're not forcing it. And then slowly let the chin drop towards the chest and then go over to the other side. Now you're not going to go back, you're just going to kind of come up and over. We're just going to make some little circles here. Up and across and then down in front and then around, and just loosen up, go nice and slow, just get a sense of breaking up any tension. Let's do a few more of these. It's trying to open up more flexibility. And keep breathing. And one more time. And let your head come back up. So back to its normal upright position. And now let's go the other side. Once again, dropping it down. Don't force it. You don't want to force anything. Let it circle the other way. Once again, we're not going back. We're just coming up and across and then dropping down. And the reason for that is the backwards motion is not a very supportive motion for the neck, and it can cause some really bad problems for the neck. There are ways to safely do it, but we're just going to avoid any of that and just open up more of this flow. Good, and one more time in this direction. And then let your head come back up. And once again, let's drop down to the original side. Just get a sense of that stretch in the side of the neck. And with your chin, imagine that you can draw circles in the air. And just kind of draw some circles. They can be big circles, small circles. And we can loosen up tension by just doing this movement. So we're leaning to the side and drawing circles with our chin. And then reverse it. Let's try some circles the other way. Really getting a sense of how that moves all the different muscles, tendons, nerves, ligaments in the neck. Couple more times. Good, and then let the head hang and go over to the other side. Find the right position for you. And once again, from this leaning position, draw some circles with your chin. And get a sense of breaking up the tension more here on the left side of the neck. And we break it up and move around as we make these circles. And reverse. Good. And let your head hang one more time, and then slowly lift it up into its normal upright position. Release the arms and just shake them out. Release any tension there. And just notice your neck. Just see how that feels. You can always do that a little bit longer, but that's a great way to break up tension, and you can do that throughout the day as you need to. I hope that helps. Take care.